Hopefully the videos got you here to the home page of the summer program. Let's go ahead and click here to start. Everyone's going to start with this folder, and I tried to label it as, big and bright as I could. Start here. So let's click that. Now it says click the logo below, so let's do that. Remember, if you are using an Apple product like an iPad, you might need to download a special browser to do this. Click here. Your login is your alpha. Your alpha is that 3 or 4-digit letter code that you get from your school. And then your password is your birthday. 8 digits for that one. Click login. Once you log in, you're going to see 2 tiles. They're both set up the same way, language arts and math. So let's look at language arts. You see 5-3 and 5-4. That stands for 5th grade 3rd quarter, 5th grade 4th quarter. She's a 5th grader, so she's starting there. Let's click on 5th grade 3rd quarter. It starts with a test, and this test, once it's complete, will get a check mark in the upper right-hand corner. Once it is completed, it will unlock this folder. Inside this folder are other smaller folders, and the folders teach multiple different subjects. You are taking a test on those subjects, and the only folders inside here that will unlock are the ones that you need help on. So for instance, if you're taking this test and you did so awesome on all the comma questions, let's say, once you click inside this folder, you'll see that the comma folder is grayed out. You won't have to do it because you already know about commas. But let's say you kind of got confused on the quotation mark questions on this test. When you come over here and you click in here, you're going to see the quotation mark folder is clickable, and it will let you go in there. That will have lessons or cartoons or games to teach you about quotation marks. Here are 2 suggested writing activities, and then another test that does the same thing and unlocks this folder. And that's the way that the pattern goes over and over again. Let's click home, and let's go over to math. Math, you see 5-3 and 5-4. She's a 5th grader, so she's going to take a look at the last half of the year, but not the whole year, because she's taking this test, like I said, to see if she even needs any help on fractions. Maybe she passes all the fraction questions. If she does that, a check mark will appear here, and a check mark will appear here, and then she can move on. Here's another test. This is on harder fractional skills, and maybe, let's say, multiplying fractions is the only thing she needed help on, based on how she did on this test. Well, once she clicks into this folder, the only folder she'll be able to click into is multiplying fractions, okay? If mom and dad want to know what you were doing, they could click on the portfolio. Let's take a look at that. This is a list of everything you've clicked on today. So as you can see, add and subtract fractions was done. It's not graded yet. And also you see this full blue rectangle. That means you turned it in. If you touched it, like if you clicked on it but didn't complete it, this would be half blue, which means it's started but not finished. And if you want to see what was done this week, you can click there. This month, you can click there. I hope that helps. If you have any questions about how this program works, please reach out. Send me an email or text me, and I will get back to you.